Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another Proto Tech Tip. My name's Chris, and today we're diving into concealed head fasteners. We're gonna go over what they are, why they're useful, and we're gonna share a few tips on how you can use them in your designs. So let's get started. So self-clinching fasteners are threaded nuts, studs, or standoffs that are mechanically pressed into sheet metal to provide solid fastening points. And these self-clinching studs and standoffs can either be flush head or concealed head. Now with concealed head fasteners, we press them into a little pocket that we've already milled out in the sheet metal. Since this fastening point doesn't go all the way through, you can't see it at all from the outside. It's completely hidden. Now when it comes to measuring their height, you'll measure from the inside surface of the part where the fastener is pressed in. So concealed head fasteners are a fantastic choice for enclosures that need to be watertight or even airtight. And the reason for this is pretty simple. There's no through hole. Their concealed design protects the fasteners from external elements like moisture and debris, enhancing durability and reducing maintenance needs. By using concealed head fasteners, you're essentially eliminating potential leak points. Because there aren't any holes on the exterior, there are fewer places for water or debris to get in. Now, this is great because you can focus on sealing the main surface instead of worrying about every individual fastener head. Another significant benefit is that with no visible screw heads on outer panels, you get a smooth, uninterrupted surface. This is especially advantageous for applying powder coating or graphics. Now, to reap these benefits, thoughtful design is crucial from the very beginning. First, you're going to want to think about assembly access. If fasteners are installed from the inside, make sure that there's enough room for the tools and clearance of the assembly. And don't forget serviceability too, especially for enclosures that may need to be opened and sealed again later. Next, structural strength matters too. Fasteners need to handle loads, vibrations, and impacts without compromising any rigidity. For enclosures that will be moved, stacked, or subjected to any vibration, select fasteners with documented load ratings and verify those ratings against your expected service conditions. Then there's precision. The blind hole needs to be milled to a very specific depth. If you don't go deep enough, the fastener head won't sit flush with the inside of the sheet. But if you go too deep, the material on the outside gets dangerously thin. That weakens the whole structure, and the fastener could even punch right through under pressure. So getting it right, it's essential. When it comes to fastener placement, function comes before form. While you want it to look great, the priority should always be structural integrity. If you space them unevenly, you'll get localized compression, and that's just asking for leaks under pressure or when temperatures are going to change. Now, because concealed head fasteners need a pocket to be inserted in, you have to consider the minimum thickness of the material. We do have some recommended minimum thicknesses here at Protocase and Protospace MFG. You're going to want to check out the following chart for our stock materials and their appropriate minimum thicknesses. Now, having said that, it is good to know that we can go with even thinner material thicknesses if needed, but our team will advise you on the best approach when you work with us. So you're going to want to remember to think about your fastener strategy very early in the design process. This will help you create enclosures that not only hold up better in the real world, but also require less maintenance over their lifetime. And if you are looking for airtight enclosures, concealed head fasteners are going to be a great choice. Now at Protocase and Protospace MFG, we're your one-stop shop for all of your custom manufacturing needs. Thanks to our high-velocity mass customization model, we can build your fully finished enclosures with fasteners and other components in as fast as 2 to 3 days. If you have a design ready, please just use our instant quoter tool on our website to get a quote in seconds. Now, if you did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more educational content coming your way every week. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care.